back, peeps. Check it out. 2014 Nissan Sentra SL. This is a premium package. This vehicle has the factory sunroof, factory leather, navigation, backup camera, has the Bose premium sound system, auxiliary line in, satellite radio. It's a one owner car, perfect Carfax.
Alright, come over this way.
Watch the video, Princess.
Perfect Carfax certification. Loaded inside, great on gas, power sunroof, digital climate control, luxury wood grain. Super nice car. Great technology on this car. Streaming audio on this vehicle, satellite, USB, auxiliary line in, 4-cylinder, LED lighting. Just a great piece right here, folks. You're going to be able to get in this for a guaranteed credit approval program that we are a platinum member of. Starting down on this vehicle, $795. This is a 2014 Nissan Sentra SL, all loaded. Service contract is included for 3 months, 4,500 miles over the complete drive line. DasCleveland.com.